Well, hey guys, uh, had a emergency job here. This is a different machine. Uh, same same model and everything, but it's different machine. He called me this morning, said that they were on a job. This belt, the dry belt, hydro belt, whatever, came off. So I had to do a quick oil change on the one that was already here, so they can come and get that one and drop this one off. So the one that was here is gone now. It's on a job, and they dropped this one off. And the hydro belt on this um, hydro belt. See how loose that is? That's not supposed to be like that. Plus, we got some strands. So I'm gonna be working on this so they can come and get this and use it. So, alrighty, let me get working at this.